Hello everyone. I want to talk about session cookie and ID. Session cookies are cookies that last for a session. A session starts when you launch a website or a web app and ends when you leave the website and close the web browser. So the session will start when you've opened the browser and you're working on it. But once you close it or leave it, that's the end of the session. So the session cookie lasts for that period. Then it's created automatically by the server when a new session is created. So the session will start. The session when the session starts, it's when the session is automatically created, the session cookie, and then the session cookies allow websites to remember users within a website when they move between the web pages. Session cookies contain information that is stored in a temporary memory location, which is deleted after the session ends. So once the session ends, the information is deleted. And then, unlike other cookies, session cookies are never stored on your device. So they are stored in the browser, and then once the session ends, they are deleted, so they will not be stored on your device. These cookies store information such as the user's input and tracks the movements of the user within the website. There is no information, no other information that is stored in the session cookie. So it's just once you navigate in the website, it tracks the movement of the user, and then when it closes, it is removed. They work also hand in hand with the session ID. A session ID is a unique number that a website server assigns a specific user for the duration of that user's visit or session. So it temporarily stores the session cookie. So it's generated. It's a unique number that the server assigns a specific user once the user is in session. And every time an internet user visits a specific website, a new session ID is assigned. So after closing the browser, and when you reopen it, there is the site generates a new session ID. So that's how the session ID operates with the internet provides that the internet browser provides that assigns that session ID, and then if you close the browser, the session ID goes, and then when you open the site again, it will generate a new session ID. Maybe we all love shopping on online, so a practical application of the session cookie is when you visit an online shop, you are able to add items to a shopping cart because it can remember and tracks your movements. And then when you select items to add to shopping cart, the items are easily added to the cart because it can easily remember. So when you visit an online shop and add items to your shopping cart, the session cookie remembers your selection. So your shopping cart will have the items you selected when you are ready to check out. Without the session cookies, the checkout page will not remember your selection, and your shopping cart will be empty. So that's the relationship between a session cookie and a session ID. Thank you.